Have you ever wondered how the Great Wall of China, the longest man-made structure in the world, came to be? Well, sit back and relax as we journey back in time to discover the fascinating history of this remarkable monument. Our story begins over 2,000 years ago, during the reign of Emperor Qin Shi Huang. Now, Emperor Qin wasn't just any ordinary ruler. He was the first emperor of a unified China, and he had a grand vision to protect his kingdom from northern invaders. And so, he came up with a plan to build an enormous wall that would stretch across his empire. Construction of the Great Wall began in the 3rd century BC. Can you imagine the Herculean task that lay before them? Building a wall across mountains, deserts, and rivers all by hand. It was a project that demanded the sweat and toil of millions of workers, including soldiers, peasants, and prisoners. But the story of the Great Wall does not end with Emperor Qin. Oh no, it continued to grow and expand for centuries. The most significant construction happened during the Ming Dynasty, between the 14th and 17th centuries. The Ming emperors added many new sections, fortresses, and watchtowers, making the wall even more formidable and impressive. Now, let's pause for a moment and consider the sheer scale of the Great Wall. It stretches a staggering 13,171 miles. That's like traveling from New York to Los Angeles 4 times over. Yet despite its size and strength, the Great Wall was not always successful in keeping out invaders. Over the centuries, it has been breached, rebuilt, and even abandoned. But it has always remained a powerful symbol of China's enduring strength and resilience. Fast forward to today, the Great Wall of China stands as one of the world's most awe-inspiring sights. It's a testament to human ingenuity, perseverance, and the power of collective effort. It's not just a wall, it's a story etched in stone, a story of a nation's struggle, survival, and triumph. So what have we learned about the Great Wall of China? It's more than 2,000 years old, built by the first emperor of a unified China. It was constructed by millions of workers over centuries, stretching across diverse terrains. Despite its immense size, it wasn't always successful in keeping out invaders, but has always been a symbol of China's strength. Today, it stands as a testament to human ingenuity and the power of collective effort, a story of a nation etched in stone. And that, my friends, is the incredible story of the Great Wall of China. A testament to the past, a symbol for the present, and an inspiration for the future.